How to hide scene on WhatsApp. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to hide scene on WhatsApp. First thing, go to WhatsApp and here you will find these 3 points in top, click on it and then click settings, and here you will find account and then click this one in top, privacy, and now just scroll down until you find this one, read receipts. All you need to do here is just click on it one click, and as you see, read receipts have been turned off. Now just go back, it will be saved, and it's easy. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. And now see you in the next video.